Hello friends, let's order Coke with interactive Coca-Cola vending machine in Salesforce using Lightning Web Component. So I have created Lightning Web Component and put it in the Lightning app called Order Coke. So let's see how it works. So you can see a beautiful interactive Coca-Cola vending machine where I can order Coke, Sprite, Diet Coke and water of our choice. So let's start with Coke. Excited to see how it works? Let's see. So I click on Coke. So I can see thank you for ordering Coke of $2.50 and you can see the order number. So basically it is getting stored in Salesforce every time we click on one of the products and we can see the order number. So we can see that, but firstly let's drink the Coke we ordered just now. So that's the Coke here and I'm able to drink. And now if I want to see the order number, so simply I go here and put that. So you can see that order number is being generated. So this is our order and then there is order product. Both are standard objects and you can see about different information like order number, and then you can see the product because I ordered Coke, so I can see Coke, and then we have order, product, product code, the price of it, all the information is there. So like that we are able to create the order. Now I go back and this time I want to order Sprite. Again I click here, I can see the price of it, $2.50, and then the order number. I click here and again I can put it here and I can see that we are able to order the Sprite. So similarly every time different order is being created when we go to vending machine. So again I want to order a Diet Coke. I click here and another order is being generated for a Diet Coke. So you can see that I ordered Diet Coke, so I'm able to see Diet, and again I'm able to see the amount for it, the quantity. So every time you can see that the price is also coming here, it is of $2. And then if I want to order water, again the order number is being generated and you can go back and here if you click you can see that the water is being generated. So like that you can order whatever you want to order, and every time a different order is being created because in the concept of vending machine every time one order is being created and you receive that particular order and next time another order is there. So like that we have created the interactive Coca-Cola vending machine through Lightning Web Component in Salesforce. Thank you so much.